Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Mathematics with Ahsan. For to- for today's topic is about functions. It's a very important topic. So let's move to the simple definition. A function is defined as a relation between a set of inputs having one output each. It means for one input there must be exist only one output. Remember that every function has a domain and range. The next question is, what is domain? So, domain is the set of possible input values that can be put into our function. However, range is the set of possible output values of the function. So, in simple words, a function is a device which produces some output after performing some operation on the input. For example, in a function f of x is equal to 2x. If we put 2 as an input, then output will be 4. The intermediate operation will be different for different functions, like f of x is equal to 5x plus 2 and f of x is equal to 9x. Both functions do different operations on the same input values. Now we discuss representations of the function. There are three main ways to represent a function. The first one is by equation. For example, y is equal to f of x. Here x is the independent variable which represents the domain of the function, and y is a dependent variable, which means y depends on the value of x and represent range. The second way is by graph. Different functions have different graphs. The last and third way is by numerical data. Now let's move to the conclusion. The important thing in the topic of function is that a function is a type of relation in which for each input there must be exist only one output. Otherwise it's not a function. For example, a function f of x is equal to square root of x. If we put 4 as an input value, then output will be both plus 2 and minus 2. So it's not a function because it produces two outputs for each input. But here one thing is also important, and it is the output value for two input values can be same. Like for a function f of x is equal to x square. If we put either plus 1 or minus 1, the output will be same, and it's 1. We mostly become confused in this concept that for plus 1 and minus 1 the output is only 1 in the previous example, and we say it's not a function. It's completely wrong, because a relation or a equation is not a function if it produces more than one output for a single input. So please do focus on the above picture for 5 seconds. And last but not least, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.